Hi everybody, I'm Heather and this is 'Cause We Can Farms. And in today's video, we continue the battle with the wasps. Just trying to get on the sawmill today. Good morning, come on. Come on. Are you gonna come get your snacks? You know what? Come on. Oh my goodness, why are you being so grumpy? I didn't stand over there. There was a wasp that was harassing me. So Kira and Kim put the archway up. We just got to work on a better gate. But just a quick update on the garden. Look at that, we got rid of the ducks. We might actually get to have a salad. This one's got 2 and a whole bunch of flowers getting ready to come in. So we're gonna have to brace that wire a little bit better. And it appears as if we have a couple of Brussels sprouts coming in. There was one more, I don't know where it went. Our spinach is kind of sporadic. Other things that we planted are okie dokie, not really coming in. Pumpkin, yellow crooked neck squash is doing well. Our cucumbers back there, these are the sweet peppers. This is kind of an experiment. The ones that I bought that had already been started are doing really well. I've actually got a couple back here that I started from seed that are doing really well. Hi everybody. What you doing, Pepper? You're so cute. You're so cute. Lily. Girl. I'm sure she'll love you someday, Pepper. The baby chicks are looking like real chickens. Look at that turkey roosting. Hey, turkey. Ooh. That other turkey's really big. Okay, so we're on day 2 of the sawmill. Hold on, my hat's in the way. Oh, I can't see though. Day 2 on the sawmill because we got ran off yesterday, the other day, from wasps. Kira got stung. We put out, or she put out, a wasp catcher, and it's ridiculous the amount of wasps that are already in it from basically this morning. Let me show you. Yeah, I'm not getting any closer than this. Thank goodness for Zoom. Look at that. They are. So what happened is, obviously you guys saw the nest, and I don't know if we're going to be able to mill today, because when we started milling and they started coming back, they started swarming us, and I've already got one swarming my head. I've already got one trying to swarm my head, and I'm looking at 3 or 4 more just milling around the mill. That thing probably has 30 in it. trapped. Well, this is not good. I've got a couple of slabs that I'm milling for a gentleman for, I don't really know what for, but he traded me a whole bunch of logs in order for me to mill him a 5 by 10 by 80 inch and a 6 by 9 by 80 inch board. And that's what I'm trying to do so I can get this to him. And these wasps are making it really difficult. So I guess we're going to spray. And we're gonna leave this wasp catcher up, but we can't mill on this. Kira got stung yesterday. I've just now finally stopped having a swollen eye from the sting that I got on my eye. And Kim's arm is still a little numb, but that's from when she broke her rib and she got stung in that area, that same area. So I just don't see us being able to mill today, which is really sad and depressing. Dang it, that's a whole change of plans. So the directions said to put it at least 20 feet away from the area you want to draw them away from. And it's definitely working. There are a lot of wasps in there. But there's still quite a few swarming the machine. And they just got so aggressive on Monday. This is Wednesday. Are you allowed to drown your sawmill in wasp spray?
We don't get that on video.
Kim said bad words.
They're coming out. They're coming out.
Oh, God. Okay, so we found another area where a nest was. Whoo, that got me, but it was a grasshopper. That would make sense why they were still swarming, because that's actually the bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I just saw another one fly up this hitch base where the ball goes in. Yeah, underneath the ball, yeah.
I see it. Oh, I see it.
Is there a whole nest?
I don't know. I see just one wasp.
Okay. Yes. There's a whole nest underneath the ball hitch. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I didn't get way stung.
Oh yeah, they're coming out.
Okay, so that makes 3 nests on the sawmill. We only killed one yesterday.
Oh, he died. He's right there.
There's one dying right there. Try not to panic. I can't spray you. We're not allowed to. Okay, flew away. They're mad. There's like another one right here. I think we should move away from this area. Okay, so this is what happened to us the other day. We were milling, we sprayed, and then this worker bees, wasps came back and attacked us. But we did get these pretty boards milled. Just not actually what we needed milled. Okay, so what Kim's been doing is spraying basically all the holes and crevices that the wasps could go into. Kind of standing here watching them, seeing where they fly into, and then actually double spraying those areas so that we can finish milling. Yay! always something, isn't it? You gotta just learn to roll with the punches. Otherwise, you're just gonna be sad. 2x4s later. Well, 1.5 by 3.5. Ready? So we're just gonna set that right there. Oh, it's really soft. How heavy is it? Very. Oh, good Lord. Okay, yeah, that's heavy. So, and then I can just do a 1 inch. I think that's like a 1.5 inch. One and a quarter. But that one dove, so it's a dirty cut. Here where everybody needs their ear plugs. What I'm going to do is look for the shortest cut space and see. I need a 10 and a 9-inch wide, so I can actually do it on this. So I can do my 5 inches and my 6 inches this way. So I'm going to flip this log and square those edges. And we'll make our cant, and then we'll cut those remainders.
Now they're gone. We've angered the wasps.
Well, I think we're done. They started swarming again. We've been spraying. We ran out of spray. We're going to set up another nest and hopefully we can come back tonight. If not, it'll be tomorrow morning. But I'm going to call it for this video because I think we got a ton of footage, but I was really hoping that we could finish this really cool log and get the rest of this milled. But I don't think that's going to happen with these wasps. It's literally just been a battle this entire season. Okay, time to go. These guys are just getting so big. Like all of a sudden they seem like big guys, big chickens. How many quacks do we have? We have a whole lot of whisperers. You guys, my garden's growing now that you're not in there. Hi, buddy. As soon as I spin it around so you could see that he was attacking my lap, he jumps off. Bud, did you sprain an ankle today? Hi, Sissy. Ooh, pretty eyes. Close-ups. Hi, Sissy. Look at those cute lips. How's your foot, bud? This bag is doing really good. But you just can't see how many's in there, but it looks full. Well, I'm just gonna get back to editing. And we're gonna make this a generator day because it's really hot. The wasps are just swarming like crazy. We're trying not to get stung. So we're gonna do other things that we can do. Oh, there's one next to me. Okay. I just really don't want to be stung again. Oh, shoot. Kim moved one. Put one right where they're hanging out.